Hi, it's Ted, the devil's in the detail. Got the bonnet off the Pagoda and we're going to strip it down to metal. The car's got micro blistering, and if you could see all the little blisters sticking up. And to get rid of it completely, I'm going to take it down to bare aluminium. I've drew this line round here to give you some indication of the area that I'm going to put the Nitromors. The reason I'm doing this is so that the paint can be feathered out to the edge, because I don't want to paint the underside. So I've just marked it out to give you a rough idea of where I'm going to strip it to. The floor we've covered in plastic so that the debris can be scraped on the floor and easily got rid of. And I've got the Nitromors ready to go on it. So I'll start putting it on and then show you the rest of the process. Tape the edges off to protect the edges, because I don't really want to go onto the edge, because then we'll have to start thinking about painting the underside. Like I says, we don't want to do that. So I'm going to get on with it and I'll show you more later. Okay, the Nitromors has been applied and we've put a sheet of plastic over the top. This will keep the gas in and stop it drying out so quick, so it'll remove more of the paint. How much more I don't know, but we'll see when we take it off. But we'll give this half an hour and see how far it gets, see how much it actually takes off. But you can see it's starting to break the paint coating up now. We could spread the stuff around quite safely with it being underneath the plastic, and get it to some of the bits that need a little bit more. But you can see it's all starting to react. So like I say, we'll give this half an hour and then we'll take the plastic off and see what we're left with. Right, it's about half an hour later and we've pulled the plastic off and used a plastic filler applicator to scrape the panel. As you can see, it hasn't got it all off, but what's left will be easy to flat down with a DA sander and we can feather it out towards the edges. But this is what it looks like straight after. We could do it again if we really wanted to get every little bit off, but because I'm feathering it anyway, it won't hurt to have to do a little bit more flatting. But just thought I'd show you the cleanest, safest way of removing paint. If you're doing it in the enclosed area, you'll want a respirator, some glasses so you don't splash your eyes. Of course we use all that stuff, not. But we've had lots of practice at doing this, so there you go. All we got to do now is neutralise what's left on there, and then we can start flatting it. So I'll get on with it. Thanks for watching. See you soon. Hiya. Now got the bonnet down really to the point where we can start thinking about filling the dents. Got all the old filler out that had pinholes in it and was encouraging the micro blistering. This has been flatted now with 80 grit and then 400 grit. So I don't know if you could see, you can actually see the dents in the metal now we've got the filler out of them. There's ripples all up this section, so looks like basically the whole of the middle will have to be filled. We'll have a look, see if we can get any from the underside out, but being aluminium we don't want to stretch it. So that's that. Just put the Z3 in the Lightroom out the way. I'm going to cover it up, protect it against the dust. It's a lovely car and it's still for sale. If anybody's got 25 grand lying around, it is a beautiful car. Detailed by myself, so I'm bound to say it's beautiful, but no, it is a really good car. Here's the stairs. I'm just going to have a go at, I suppose, finishing them off, put some more posts in and stuff, make sure they're safe. But starting to come on now. Now I can get upstairs without falling off the ladder. I could start building the handrail on the floor, start getting it done. And then I've got to get the cladding done up there. Once that's clad, it can all be painted in this colour, shocking green, to match my toolbox. There's my son's motorbike. He's made a good job of detailing it, and this will be my next car to put together. Just waiting for it to be painted, and then I'll have to rebuild that one, and concentrating on getting this one done at the moment while I've got no detailing to do. But it's getting there slowly. Not as quick as Jonas would like, but I'm doing my best. So there we have it. That's what's going on in the shop. And, getting back on the bonnet now. See you soon.